In this video, I share 2 tips to build a better email list. You will learn how to stop the bogus or fake opt-ins and subscribers that can waste your time and ruin your email performance. If you use email marketing, these are 2 tips you absolutely need, so stick with me till the end. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online full-time for over 20 years now. Email marketing has always been a key part of my success. I've been building and marketing to my email list almost since the start of the internet. And don't listen to the doomsayers. Email marketing is alive and well. And it is working as well for me as it ever has. I've had many subscribers on my list and responding to my offers for years now. If you are not using email marketing, you are missing a great opportunity. Hey, before we get going, can you help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So, a key part of email marketing is building and maintaining a top quality, highly responsive email list. And that starts with a good lead capture or landing page. I always design them myself using the best value funnel builder tool from the Home Business Academy. I've put a link to it in the description. It's easier to use and costs far less than the big name funnel builder. Here's one of my highest converting landing pages for my #1 recommended income stream. It even has an exit pop-up that further increases conversions. It triggers if someone leaves the page without filling out the form and opting in. Watch this. When they try to leave, the pop-up triggers. Now, I designed and built all of this with the funnel builder tool in just minutes. It's that simple to use. But in recent years, I've run into a couple of challenges. One is that I started getting bogus opt-ins, I guess from automated scripts or bots. At one point, I was getting hundreds. These fake subscribers can waste time and resources, but the biggest damage they can do can be to your email reputation. Sending emails to fake addresses like these can end up damaging your overall email performance. I had to fix it fast, and I had 2 options to eliminate this problem. One would be to go with double opt-in. With that, when someone subscribes to the email list, they are sent an email with a link that they must click on to confirm their desire to be on your list. I don't like double opt-in. I feel it reduces the total number of new subscribers more than the value that you do get for better list quality. So I went with another option instead. It's called CAPTCHA. That's this box right here on the page. The opt-in form will not work without clicking it. It's easy for a person to click, but difficult for bots. This seemed to have solved that problem. The other challenge that was frustrating me, and it happened a lot, was people wanting to see my offer without providing a good email address that they checked regularly. They would opt in with no interest in being on my list. They just wanted my information. And I used to do like most email marketers. When someone opted in, they were redirected to my sales page or offer. And this was particularly annoying when people did that to get my free ebook. Yeah, the information in the ebook is free, but hey, at least give me a good email address. So here's how I solved that challenge, and it also helped me build a better email list. Now, on all of my landing pages, when someone completes the form and opts in or subscribes, they are redirected to what's called a thank you page like this one. It tells them to check their email for a link to what they requested. If it's not a good email address, they will not get the information. This page also brands and promotes me and reinforces the information that they asked for. I only provide the requested information by email today. Again, problem solved. Now, both of these tips have helped me build a better email list and make more money, and they are easy to implement. You can start using them too in just minutes. My #1 recommendation comes with the funnel builder tool that I mentioned and the very best tools and training for email marketing for any business. To learn more about email marketing and to start building a better email list to make more money online today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.